Microsoft Store error code 0x80070483 typically indicates an issue with the Windows operating system. Some common reasons why this error might occur are corrupted Windows system files. Corruption within the system files of Windows can interfere with the operation of built-in applications like the Microsoft Store. This can occur due to an incomplete update, improper system shutdowns, or software conflicts. Here are some fixes for this error.
First open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scan now. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter.